Welcome to the Print-in-Place Worm Toy Generator. This project is coded entirely in Tinkercad Codeblocks. Make sure to look through the accompanying code overview document to help you understand how this works. The program is designed to allow the user to create a variety of print-in-place worm toys simply by changing the value of 3 variables in the user interface portion of the code. The user can choose from any combination of 4 body options, 2 edge options, and 2 head options. A great programming challenge could be to ask the student to code algorithms for additional options and to add these to the main code block. Here we see the execution of the code with the plain body, sharp edge, and round head options. This is the code with the ridged body option. Here we execute the code with the feet adding option. This next body option adds spikes to our worm, transforming it into a more ferocious looking creature. This last body option adds feet to our previously spiked worm. Here we can see the edge option being applied to the body, giving our worm a smoother appearance. The head option allows the user to change the shape of the head into that of a more menacing creature. As mentioned earlier, this basic code can be used to provide students with various levels of challenges to enhance and modify the model generating options. One of the main things to take away from this project is the technique used to code the print-in-place chain link. This technique can be studied and reused in coding many more PIP type projects.